Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abraham here. In this video, I'm gonna show you a step by step how you can create your own professional website. Whether you want to create a website for yourself or for your business or for your clients. This is a best chance, right, to learn new technical or learn new skills, right? And also this is the best chance, right, to discover uh, to discover your potential, right? So I think this video tutorial, right, uh, uh, might give you new ideas how you can create any website, right? And also, by the way, we are going to discover everything you need to know, right, to build whatever website you want to create, right? Whatever website you want to create. And also, what is sitting on, right? A new year, what is sitting on, right? But please, guys, I encourage you just at least to spend 1 hour a day, 1 hour a day, right, for a year.
So, alright, let's as I said, let's jump to PC, alright? So, the first thing we're going to do is uh, uh, you should search for Squarespace. So, after that, here it's here. You're gonna click here, Squarespace. So, when you get here, what you're going to do is you're going to click, get it start. You stop here, right here. You stop here. You'll be bottom here, whatever. In the same way. So after that, yeah. So after that here, uh, Squarespace is going to give you uh, the couple ideas about what type of website you want to create. For me, I need travel. This one here. I'm going to select here. So when you get here is Squarespace is going to give you my question here, right? It's up to you if you want to answer all these questions. But for me, I prefer to skip. Do it for the skip. So that here is that here you have many ways here. So as I mentioned before, you want to create a website with template, right? I'm gonna select template here. Good. Now here, Squarespace is gonna give you the a couple option of template. But for me, so which template do you want? Let's see here. So then, so maybe this one. I'm gonna look which template do I want. Gonna, gonna pick up. I like this one is good. So after that here, yeah. So after that here, let's see it on phone. Let's see on this website. It looks on phone. Yeah, yeah, it's pretty good. So that's it. That's about also here. Good. So after that, so what we're going to do is uh, gonna click here and start with this design. Good. Now here you have couple options here to sign up here. To sign up, but for me, I'm gonna click with my no me. I'm gonna do here couple question here. Yeah, uh, account. Good, good here. We'll sign up here. Good. Here is Good. Now here is I'm gonna use okay. Gmail. Use our Gmail. Sorry, something missing here. Hmm. Get it? Okay, here we are. Right. So after you sign up with your email, you sign up with your email. Here is now here you are different way. Okay, good. Now here is yeah. Now here you have an option here. Now here, welcome to the site. Right now here is you should give name for a website. For me is uh, Abraham. Good. Mm, design. Good. Okay. When done on that is when done on that is just click next. Good. Good. Click page. Hmm. Now after that is yeah yeah here it is. Okay, let's see our website here. Okay, that's great here. Okay, good. Let's back here. So right now here it's here, right? As you can see here. So here, so here you can change whatever the things you want to change, right? Good. Let's exit here. Good. Now here you can change what things you want to change, right? So first of all, let's after that here, what we're going to do is um, can add page now. Can change the image if you want to change the image. Good. If you want to change all this image, I'm going to change it if you want. So let's first check our website here. Good. This is our footer. So we can change it later. Everything here we can make our own design. Good. So after that here is what we're going to do is we're going to change this this name maybe. Alright. Let first of all see our website here. Preview. Have the website done. Here. You can see here. Good. After that you can back click the same way. Good. Now here what I want to do first is good. So here is you can change design maybe. Let's see here. Maybe if you want to change the layout, good. Can change layout to be the way you want it. Maybe I want this way here. Let's see. Yeah, this layout you want to change layout. Good. Good. Now the layout here. When you're done, you can save it. Right? Change the layout first. So is there is more here? Let's look. Yeah, about this one here. Good. Let's save. Now we have changed them. Now here we just also here. If you want to change this to be bold, you want to change here. Here is you want to change this titles here. Good to be heading one, heading two, whatever. You can monospace here to be small. Good. I prefer to be bigger here if you want. So you can change here color, maybe you can change color also. Okay, you can change color also here. Okay, also you can change. Good. I can change color here, customize. Good. Everything can change here. Is so after that, good. Animation also. If you want to make want add animation also. Good. Good. Animation. So also here text. Yeah. Now also here text here. You can see uh, which design do you want. Maybe this way to be this way. Let's try it. Let's try it to save. As you can see, that's view here on mobile. It's quite different, right? It's quite different. So what we do here is something perfect. Let's back here. Good. I think here we have done it here to shape it. Maybe if I want to change this background also, maybe I can change the design here, right? You want to change design logo here. Good. That's it. Right? You can change design to be left or right here. Logo to be left here. Good. So what else here? It's up to you, right? You want to change the here left. Yeah, I prefer to be them here. I love it this way. So when you done on everything is you have to change you have to save it section here. So maybe if I want to change the background, maybe here, want to change background here, no add block, change background. As you can see now, see you have changed. Yeah, that's it, right? If you want this image to be top there, no, you can leave it to be. Yeah, I can leave it as the way. I love this way. So as you can see here, you can change edit here. You can change background. You can change background, right? Good. Let's see here. Okay. Good. So what I want to do here, maybe here. We still work on top here. Let's header here. What I want to on header here. Maybe if I want to change, I want to change the logo here. Right? You can add an account here. You can add whatever here. Yeah. Okay, good here, right? In social media here, right? You can add here. You can add your contact here. Good. You can add your email here. It's here instead of add your email here. Maybe me. I'm gonna add my email here. Okay. Good. Okay. Here. I'm gonna add my email here. Good. Add. No, it's called Abraham. Abraham at Gmail. Good. You can add it here, right? No social media here, right? This is the way you can add it. This is where you can add them here. Good. And also here you can delete them here if you don't want. Good. Whatever here. And Instagram, if you have Instagram here, I don't have Instagram, but not all of them. Log in here. Log in here is you can add your account here. Yeah. Social media, as I said, add, to add social media. As I said here, social media is here. Right? I can leave it out on this one. Also here, about here is let's back here. In about here, let's click here. Good. In about here, what I have to do is here in instead of explore, I can change this one. Explore now to learn more. You can change learn more. Good. Let's save.